Feeling heartbroken after a breakup? You're not alone. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through 10 essential steps to help you navigate this difficult time with courage, compassion, and resilience. The first step in any healing journey is to allow ourselves to feel. It's essential to recognize and validate our emotions, no matter how painful they may be. Let yourself grieve the loss of the relationship, the shared dreams, the companionship. It's okay to feel sadness, anger, or even relief. Don't try to numb the pain or pretend it's not there. Suppressing emotions only prolongs the healing process. Allow yourself to cry, scream, journal, whatever you need to do to process your emotions. Expressing your feelings is a crucial part of healing. There's incredible strength in acknowledging our vulnerability. Embracing our emotions helps us move forward with greater resilience and self-awareness. Healing takes time. Don't put pressure on yourself to get over it quickly. Be gentle with yourself and allow yourself the time and space you need to heal. Avoid making any major life decisions in the immediate aftermath of a breakup. Now, more than ever, is the time to lean on your support system. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or a therapist. Sharing our stories of heartbreak with those we trust can be incredibly therapeutic. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. When we're hurting, it's easy to neglect our basic needs. Make a conscious effort to nourish your body with healthy food, prioritize sleep, and engage in gentle movement or exercise. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Engage in activities that bring you joy and comfort. Journaling, meditation, and spending time in nature can be incredibly grounding and healing. Breakups can often leave us feeling lost and unsure of our own identities. Use this time as an opportunity to reconnect with yourself and rediscover your passions. Set new personal goals, explore new hobbies, or revisit old ones that you might have put on hold. To truly heal and move on, you need to create healthy boundaries with your ex. This means limiting contact, both in person and online. It's essential to give yourself the space to breathe and reflect. This might involve turning off your phone or closing your laptop with determination. Unfollowing them on social media, deleting their number, and removing reminders of them from your daily life. You can also ask mutual friends to refrain from talking about them. This can be incredibly helpful in maintaining your peace of mind. Remember, this isn't about punishing your ex. It's about prioritizing your own healing and well-being. Engage in self-care activities like yoga, journaling, or spending time with supportive friends. These actions will help you focus on your own growth and recovery. As painful as breakups are, they offer valuable opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Once you've allowed yourself time to heal, take the time to reflect on the relationship. Embrace these lessons with a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to learn and grow. It might be hard to imagine now, but there is life after heartbreak. Embrace the unknown with courage and allow yourself to hope again. You are worthy of love, connection, and happiness. The world is full of amazing people, and you will find love again when the time is right. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. There will be good days and bad days, moments of progress and setbacks. Be kind to yourself throughout the process and celebrate even the smallest victories. If you're feeling overwhelmed, focus on taking things one day, 1 hour, or even one breath at a time. You are stronger than you think. You are brave enough to face the unknown. Embrace the journey, be kind to yourself, and trust that brighter days are ahead. If this video has resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more resources on healing, self-love, and building healthy relationships. Heartbreak is a universal human experience. It touches everyone at some point in their lives, leaving a profound impact on our hearts and minds. It's that place where courage and vulnerability meet. It takes immense bravery to face our pain and allow ourselves to be vulnerable. Be patient with yourself. Allow yourself to feel your emotions fully and reach out for support when you need it. Self-compassion is key during this time, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Healing isn't linear, and there's no timeline for it. The journey is unique to each individual, with its own set of challenges and milestones. Trust that you will emerge from this experience stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. Every hardship carries the potential for growth and transformation, shaping you into a more resilient person.